welcome back. It's Louise. I forgot my name now. I've been a bit unwell, so I've had this cold and cough and whatever. I might start coughing, and I'm hoping I'm going to edit it all out, but if not, then I do apologise. So today I want to start a new project. I've been invited, well, I've not been invited, I applied and been accepted as a new design team member for Sani Creates. I will put all the links down below if you don't know who she is. She's got her Etsy shop, coffee shop, and she's got a YouTube channel and a Facebook group. So I'll stick all those links in the description. And I've decided I wanted to play with this kit. I've cut it all out. I have done a flip through of the kit, which I'll add in. So that's the kit, and this is all the bits cut out. So you would have got a good look at this. Is all the little bits, everything's cut out, and that's what I had left after backing the envelopes and all the other little bits, all the little envelopes and that. So these are spare pieces that we can use. These are the bigger pages that I photocopied on the back with that nice blue one. It doesn't leave a lot. I wasn't planning on using any of those pages as pages because I've got a lot of book pages that I want to use. So my plan is, let's get it. Right, I have some freebies from her coffee shop as well. This is just a snapshot, it's not all of it. I just thought these would kind of tie in and break up the yellow and the blue if it gets a bit too much, you know what I mean? So there's some nice ones that would go with it, I think. These are the ones that I liked and I thought they might go quite well. And a bit of the vintage, because the papers will be the vintage. Put that there. So I've got a bunch of music paper, some other book pages. This is like a flower dictionary book. These are from. These are, I think this is either French or Spanish dictionary. This one, all of them, and obviously this is a flower. And I picked out the yellows for this just to keep with the theme. Couldn't find any blues. So, and I've got some spring fairy pages. I'm trying to get it all in without knocking the camera. Another one there. Some more coffee dyed pages. And some papers that's ink dyed that I've done on there. Just to bulk out the journal. Some, like a receipt book that I had, and I think it's Italian. And I just done some ink coffee dyeing, and another, I think this one's a school report. maybe. Might be. I don't know, but it's got like for the dates and whatever it is that they're going to write. So a couple of them that I can cut down. And I've got this that I made a while ago. It's a lap book. I literally just followed an instruction video. I think it was Michelle from the Creative Cove actually, and I just kind of followed along with her. And it's literally, you've got the big spine, you've got the two like front and back, and then you've got two little spines either end that will make up to the same size as this one, and then you've got the last two flaps, so that you fold it in and then you fold it in again, so it sits like that. I'll try and show you now, and you have two signatures in there. I'm going to although I like that, it's not going to go with our theme, so I'm going to cover it either with some paper and then put a nice piece of that on. I'll have to colour down these sides or paint. I might even just paint the whole thing. That's quite shiny. So we'll see, but this is what I'm intending to use. So I won't bore you with what we're going to do with that anymore, because that could take up a lot of time. So literally what I was going to do was just get the signatures together. Because of that, we need two lots of signatures. Let me see how many is going to fit in here. We could get two smaller ones in there. Two smaller ones, which would make it like 4 sign. Yeah, I think we could. Right. Oh, sorry. So we're going for the 4, right? 4 signatures. Remember that. Right, 1, 2. 3 and 4. So thanks for hanging on in there. I did cough once, but I'm hoping that's going to be edited out. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.